All right, we're going to work with making sure we understand how a protractor works in order to measure angles. Um, so we're asked to find two angles, measure of angle BEC and the measure of angle BED. So I wanted to write those there because I'm going to, oh, thought I could zoom in. All right, well, that's as zoomed as we're going to get. Okay, so measure of angle BEC. So we look at the picture and we know E is the vertex, which here's our vertex right there. From B to E to C, we want to know what does this angle measure. So we're going to follow along our protractor right here and see what the angle measure is. So you can see the protractor from, let's say, point A. If we follow along, you've got 180 counting down or 0 counting up. We're going to follow the 0 counting up and going around this way. If this point A was over here on the right, the 0 would be the inside numbers and we would count up using the inside, but we are using the outside numbers. So let's go ahead and just see, where does B hit? It's between 40 and 50. It's actually more between 45 and 50. So if we could zoom in a little bit more, we would see that that's a pretty decent 47 degrees. All right, point C, where is it going through? It looks halfway between 100 and 110. So that is going to be 105 right there. And then point D is right at the 130. So we're going to use those numbers to find the measure of the angles they're asking for. All right, so the measure of angle BEC. BEC goes from 47 to 105. So to figure out how many degrees that is, we're just going to subtract 105 minus 47. And we get 58 degrees. Measure of angle BED. So now if we go from B to E to D, it's this whole angle right here. So it's going from 47 degrees to 130. So we're just going to take 130 minus 47. Now, if you were, technically, well, all right, if you did 47 minus 130 and got a negative number, we would want to consider using absolute value bars because we do want this to be positive. And we get 83 degrees. So the measure of angle BED. All right, there's your protractor.